I was without an oven for over a week. So now I've got the oven, the propane is hooked up, and I need to test it. I am not going to try a new recipe or something really complicated that the oven temp and my knowledge of my oven matters. So I'm going to make granola. And what we like about granola in our house is that everybody gets to pick their ingredients. And this is for my husband, and he picked candied ginger, almonds, some sesame seeds, diced dried apricots, and that is the vegan crunch from my cheesecake last week that I kept in the freezer. They were already toasted, so they're gonna go in with the fruit more toward the end of baking so that they don't get burned because they're already partially baked. Now this granola doesn't really stick together a lot, but that works for Dave. He doesn't mind. He adds milk to it and eats it like a cereal. It's very crunchy and beautiful and dark. And the oven's great. It's close to being perfectly at temp. It's clean, steady. I love it.